Katie's Crafts here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 easy DIYs for St. Patrick's Day 2019. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #craftification_squad for a shout out in my next video. So, I just want to quickly say thank you so much for 50 subscribers. Like, that's an insane amount of people if you think about it. So, just thank you so much. Also, comment down below if in your country you celebrate St. Patrick's Day, because I'm very happy to be Irish and have St. Patrick's Day be like sort of Irish. Also, here is my crafter of the week. Here's your comments right here. Thank you so much. And if you want a shout out in my next video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #craftification_squad. Now let's get on with the DIYs. Woohoo! So the first DIY is going to be an abstract painting, but not just any regular one. It's going to be one with a shamrock sort of, I don't really know, but it's gonna have a shamrock on it, and you can see what I'm doing here on the screen. So the second DIY is going to be like a sort of gold pot at the end of the rainbow, pot of gold and all that. So basically I just took a piece of hot glue that I'd flattened out with my fingers. Just dip your fingers into water and then press down on the hot glue to make it flat. So basically I just cut out like sort of a half rainbow shape. Then I painted it with all these rainbow colors and I glued it to a little cork thing, and yeah, it's really cute. You should try it. So for the third DIY, I took some little rocks that I'd already painted white to save you some time. Then I just painted one of them with an Irish flag with green, white, and gold because I didn't have any orange paint. And then I also did a shamrock one with a gold thing. So then for the fourth one, I got a few lolly sticks and I cut them up into the same sizes. Then I glued them all together in a shape of sort of a hat. We're gonna make like a leprechaun sort of hat. And I just painted on I painted it green, and then I painted on a little black strip, and yeah, I think it was really cute. So for the next DIY, we're gonna make a little necklace pendant thing. This is also made of hot glue, so just do what you did for the rainbow pot of gold thingy, and make it in a shamrock shape, or just cut it. Then you take some ribbon and glue the shamrock onto it. I think it's really cute. You should try it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below #Craftification for a shout out in my next video. Thank you so much for 50 subscribers. Bye!